Hi, welcome to part 3 of this wedding planning series that's been up. I am so happy that you guys are loving this, and today I am at Nivedita Saboo Couture. I'm here to find a nice lehenga and a nice sherwani for the reception ceremony that we are going to have. I'm really excited to see the entire collection. I really love her work and her as a person, and the store is really beautiful. I cannot wait to show you guys. So let's go. I think this is my favorite. You know, when I went back and I saw all the pictures, this was my favorite. It's stunning. Guys, look at this. I am such a sari person and I would prefer like a sari over lehenga any day, and this looks so nice, so regal. I love the full sleeves. It's happening in December, so I need all the coverage because I get cold so easily. And I also wanted to show you this collection. Look at that cape. These are just so pretty. And you also need to see the gowns. I love the way you guys have displayed it. It just looks so nice. Look at this one. And I love that they all photograph so well. Look at that red. Do you think I should try this one once? Just for the...
Try it on.
Yeah.
Like, you know, the entire feel of it with the trail.
Yes. Because this is a very like bridal, like reception. Yeah.
And it'll give you a grand entry.
Yes, yeah. The silhouette of this blouse is my favorite. Like, I genuinely love this. There is net and then like work on the net, so it looks so nice here. I'm waiting for my camera to focus it, but yeah, this is so pretty. I love this blouse. I'm gonna insert a picture of me wearing this. This sari, I think I have a special connection with this sari. This is what I wore for my court marriage and it looked absolutely stunning. It is so beautiful, guys. Like, you need to check out these saris. I am just gravitating towards reds, and look at this blouse, just the work. And I feel like this is so Nivedita, like all of this geometry and the structure. And it's just so stunning, the work. It's so regal. I mean, that's what I love about her designs. I've been to like so many places, but I keep coming back here because I absolutely love the silhouettes.
Hello there.
So this is Nivedita. Thank you so much
You're
for
most welcome.
dressing me in this lovely red lehenga. What do you guys think? This
I think
is
gorgeous. I do
stunning.
think that Debasree needs to be sexier.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I'm loving how this photographs. Yeah, I like
No,
this color.
if you love the color is a go-to. If you love how the sleeves look, we'll still do that.
Okay.
But we'll create a really sort of minimalistic bustier. Let's figure it out.
Yeah. So just change the blouse. I want to see how this silhouette looks. The sleeves on this one is just stunning. I love the silhouette of this one, no? So I'm just like recording what would look nice. We're just trying different blouse silhouettes.
So just wider, just straighter, showing more skin, cut work on. So not a definitive strap. I feel like all of these crystal cutwork flowers that go up as a intricate crystal cutwork strap, and then going into like a really slim sort of a bag.
I love it.
Yeah. So that, and then we'll play with the dupattas and what should be to add like a little bit more of a glamour element to the dupatta. Definitely more
can.
To
Yes.
open this up to show the real beauty of the
Yes.
cutwork and the crystal work.
I really like it. Yeah, I
sure.
think done.
Yeah.
So this is what the original blouse looks like. I really wanted to try this gown. I think it looks really nice, but I love the lehenga more. What do you guys think? I feel like that emoji.
Oh yeah, the one in the back.
Yeah, it's exactly like that. I love it. Hi, today is a new day and I am on my way to Papa Don't Preach. I am going to meet Shubhika and go to her head office. I need to go do like fittings for another outfit that I liked, and I'll show you guys which one, and also kind of like just finalize everything and also meet her. I haven't seen her in a really long time, so yeah, that's what is happening today. Let's go. Okay, so I made it back to Papa Papa don't preach, and Lamya's helping me wear this sari today. So you saw me try the pink version of this? The It Girl one. So we're trying this blue one. It's like a half skirt and sort of a sari. I'm super excited to try this. We really wanted to do that. And yeah. So this is what the outfit looks like on. I really love the color of it. And it's so comfortable. I love that I can dance around in this and just be myself. You look so comfy in there. I'm not going to disturb you. Can we be friends though? Oh my god, you like it. And there's another one. Hi baby. Can we be friends? Okay, so that went really well, and now I am at Dr. Sheths Clinic. I have been coming here since December last year, and I come here every month, and now Dr. Saloni is working on bringing in the Bridal Glow. It just feels surreal to even talk about it. But yeah, that's what we're working on. It's just maintenance, nothing anti-acne treatment as much, because I feel like the face has obviously calmed down quite a bit. The tone is also quite even, touch wood. So right now it's just maintenance and making sure that the skin stays this way, which is actually very important. So that's what I am doing, and I will talk to you guys once Dr. Saloni is here. So we're doing the carbon tri-beam today, and she's just applying the carbon on my face, and we're gonna keep that on for around 10 minutes, and then doctor is gonna come use the laser. This is what it looks like once all of the carbon is applied. So this is the tri-beam laser that they're going to use.
Hi, so I'm really glad that Debasree is here again today, and for her bridal preparations I am planning to do intense pulse light therapy, which we have been already doing for her. So we'll continue with intense pulse light therapy, which is a red light treatment, along with mesoporation. Because she is rosacea prone, her skin is generally a little sensitive, so that will take care of her texture and her sensitivity. And I also plan to do a few sessions of carbon facial, which will help with her acne, her texture, her pigmentation. So overall, make her skin bright and very smooth, so that she's ready for her pre-bridal makeup.
I love that. And we didn't do this carbon tri-beam before. Was it because I had a lot of acne?
Yes,
okay.
You had a lot of acne, so carbon tri-beam actually works for acne as well. But at that time you had a lot of rosacea as well.
Yeah, it was very inflamed.
Exactly. So then the carbon tri-beam would have aggravated your rosacea. So we first calmed your skin down, and now we can actually work on the pigmentation.
I love it. Thank you.
Most welcome.
Hi, so it's been a couple of days since my laser appointment, and my skin honestly looks really nice. Let me try and focus this for you. This last carbon peel really made my skin so glowy, and I cannot wait to go back. We have what, 4 months now to the wedding. I also have my laser appointment that I will be going soon, and I will take you guys along with me. So that's also kind of like a bridal prep. I have only a couple of months left to complete all my sessions, and I think that's it for this vlog. I am so glad that I'm documenting this whole process and taking you guys along with me. I've been receiving so many messages, even from my relatives. You know, I had my cousins message me how much they're enjoying it and telling me which one to pick and which outfit looked nice. So that was so heartwarming, and that just motivates me to keep filming this. So thank you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.